Kawake utenge mago mag siasa nyakoro mgajwang' wadonje mago mag somo. Riwruog Jopuonj mar KNUT omiyo duol mochung'ne ondiko jopuonje Teacher Service Commission TSC ndalo 14 mondo omi gibag twak matimo lokruok e winjruok ma kanyakla mar mano ma CBA mar bero ngima jopuonj mane gitimo higa mar 2021. Koloso gi jofwambe boma ma Mombasa, jagoro maduong' mar KNUT Collins Oyu oyango ne gisendiko barua ne duolno mar TSC kaluwore kod pek mar ngima kendo koro gidwaro mondo omi med jopuonj osara. Oyu osiro lwedo paro mar duol manyocha ochuogi gi jatend piny Kenya mang'ado rieke wi weche mag somo dwaro kara weche mag somo madwaro ni jopuonj mag ECD ondike gi piny owacho ma ok tend counties kaka timore sani.
ECD was most unfortunate that the county governments took the role to employ ECD teachers. And you know, they're employing teachers who have TSC numbers. So it beats logics. You have a TSC number from Teacher Service Commission, the sole employer of teachers. Then you're employed by the county government. It couldn't make sense. ECD is devolved to counties. But now that the Presidential Working Party has made a very clear proposal that remuneration for ECD teachers shall come from Teacher Service Commission, it therefore follows that Teacher Service Commission shall employ ECDs. And I think that will be a plus in line with what we should do as teachers in terms of quality assurance and even our work in schools. The Salaries and Remuneration Commission stopped us from negotiating anything monetary in 2021. But now that it lifted the caveat about negotiations, we are out and we have written to Teacher Service Commission and have given them 14 days to bring us to table so that we start review of the non-monetary CBA that we signed in 2021. We cannot forget that the economic situation in this country is so biting.